Hello friends, I welcome to you in your YouTube channel Physics and You. Today I am here to discuss a new animated video related to the de Broglie wavelength. Let's start the video. In 1924, French scientist Louis de Broglie has introduced a hypothesis in which he has considered the matter exhibit dual characteristic, same like the light, as the light behave as wave as well as the particle. So Broglie has introduced a hypothesis in which he has considered the matter also exhibited dual characteristic, and he has given a one well-known expression lambda equals to h upon p, which classify the characteristic of the dual nature. To understand the concept of the de Broglie wavelength, we have to recall the basic history. As we know, in 1801, Young's has introduced a wave characteristic or wave nature of the light by performing an experiment of double slit experiment. At same time, in 1905, Einstein has confirmed the particle nature of the light by explaining a photoelectric effect. Also, we know that we can able to explain interference, diffraction, polarization if we consider the wave nature of the light. We can able to explain photoelectric effect, Raman effect, Compton effect only when we consider a light in the form of a particle. On the basis of these concepts, the de Broglie has introduced a one question: what happened to a matter when the matter is going to be moved, or how the matter is going to be behave? If light can show the dual characteristic, that means matter may show dual characteristic, because nature loves the symmetry and symmetry loves the nature. And he may raise one query that what happen if the elementary particle is moving? What happen at the time? Whether that elementary particle is moving in a straight line, same like an arrow, or whether it is going to move in the form of a wave. On that basis, the hypothesis of the de Broglie was well confirmed or well explained by the Davison and German experiment in 1927, in which it was confirmed that matter is going to be behave as the dual characteristic. De Broglie has taken two well-known theory to explain his hypothesis. Two theory was Planck's theory. Second was the Einstein mass energy equivalence. He has combined or recombined that two theories. On what basis? As we know, the Planck's theory, in Planck's theory, we assume electromagnetic wave is consist of a tiny particles with a quanta of energy E equals to h mu, where frequency is mu is the frequency or E is the energy of a photon. In the Einstein mass energy equivalence, he has considered the mass or energy both are the same and both are convertible to each other. You can see in the equation 1 and 2. So what the de Broglie did? De Broglie correlate both these equations. Why he has correlated these equations? He assumed both are the energy. Only difference is equation 1 is at that time when we consider the photon is going to behave as a wave, and second equation is occurred when we consider photon as a particle. So whatever it will be, but both are the energy. So he has equate both the equation. When we equate both the equation, what happened? It come out to be h mu equals to mc square. Also we know mu is again a relation, mu equals to c upon lambda. Substitute the value, c cancel out on the both hand side, it remain h upon lambda equals to mc, where h is Planck constant, Lambda is wavelength, m is mass of particle, c is velocity of light. Whenever a matter is moving, that matter is not going to be move with velocity of light c. So we have to be replace the symbol c with v. So expression has been replaced with h upon lambda equals to mb. Rearrange it, it come out to be lambda equals to h upon mv, where m into v is momenta. Your expression become lambda equals to h upon p, where p is a momentum, lambda is a wavelength, h is a Planck constant, and this expression is called as a de Broglie wavelength. This expression confirms or predicts the dual characteristic of a matter. Means whenever a elementary particle is moving, a wave is associated with that particle, and that wave is called as a matter wave. And what is the matter wave? A wave associated with a moving particle is called as a matter wave. De Broglie's equation describes the wave property of a matter, especially the wave nature of the electron. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.